Hello, this is One Person Studio here. So this is my new series in Coding Game where I have to solve gaming puzzles by programming them. So let's get right to it. So this is the puzzles I'm taking on. It's called temperatures. So what I need to do is what I need to do is I need to compare a list of values and make sure I need to find the closest to 0. So by doing that, I need to use arrays, loops, and conditions. So let's solve it. So I'm not going to use Python. My last two puzzles that I did, you can check them out on my YouTube channel. I've been using Java, so I want to continue using that. So this is the rules. Okay. So if two numbers are equally close to 0, a positive integer has to be considered closest to 0. So it gives us an example. So just the two lines. Okay, so yeah, basically the output, it will display 0 if no temperature are provided. Otherwise, display the temperature closest to 0. Alright, let's start doing this. I want to space them out so I can check which. I want to change this. No. Let's make a new one. The reason why I did this is because the number pictures to analyze and go to the next number. That's the whole point. Next line. And I want to add a new target, which is 0. That's the whole point. So let's get rid of them too. And let's add I want to add a if statement. So if n is equal to target number, then I will print out. Oh my bad. I will print out target number. So, but if not, I have to use an else statement, and then this will happen. Closest number integer max value. Right. So I want to continue with this for loop. Make sure indent is really important. Temperature expressed as an integer. Okay, so that does it for us. And I want to include the abs method. I think that will work. So if math the abs, which is t, is less than close it. I think we could do close his number here. Is that why? Is it not working? Should do. Don't need this. Okay, now it works. Okay, great. Then just do close the number, which equals to t. And now I'm just going to print it out. Close this number and add 3 more in then and get rid of this. I don't need all this. Hopefully this should work. No, it doesn't. Oh, why? Is it because I didn't add a semicolon? Ooh. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. That's it. You can see the standard output stream is 0. And I'll submit this. And that's how you do it. Well, thank you for watching, and episode 5 will come out soon. Bye.